Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to create a Notion database to track your daily habits. So let's get started. First, open Notion and create an empty page. Over here, give the page a name such as Habit Tracker. Then click the Add icon above the title and choose any icon you like. After that, type /T and select Table View under the Database section. Over here, name the database Habit Tracker and hide the database title for a distraction-free view. Then add the number of rows you need. After that, rename the first column to Daily Habits or any name you prefer. Over here, click the plus button to add a new property. Then name it Date and set the property type to Date. After that, click the plus button again to add another property. Over here, choose the checkbox property and rename it to your first habit, such as Read. Then click the property icon and choose an emoji, such as a book. After that, repeat the same steps for each habit, such as gym, food, topic, and scripting. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.